it is better to have a one real follower rather than hundred or thousands of fake followers or bots on your Instagram, on maybe your YouTube as well. Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well, and in this particular video I'm gonna tell you the 10 common mistakes that people are doing on Instagram. So please avoid these 10 mistakes that you are doing on your Instagram that is actually hampering your growth on Instagram. So before you're gonna jump into the video, make sure to just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload any video. Now let's begin the video first of all. See, while we are starting Instagram or any kind of social media platform, we are not aware the features and the kind of thing that will be happening there. But the times goes, while we got experience on that particular platform, then we know, okay, what should I have to do or what shouldn't I have to do. If you're not analyzing this kind of thing, that you are hampering your growth as well. So in this particular video, I'll talk about 10 common mistakes that people are doing on Instagram basically, and that actually hampering their growth on Instagram. So out of that, the number one is that quality content. Exactly. I mean, people are not producing quality content. Quality content, not in the sense that even I'm not so much fascinated about the quality content at the beginning, because we are not aware so much that which is the quality content at the beginning. Okay, but while you are producing content and you are saying that there is no engagement, there is not people are liking such kind of thing, and still you are doing the same kind of thing, you still are producing the same kind of content. I mean, same kind of content is graphic, like the same that you are using in previous one, the text format, that kind of thing, then you are doing a mistake actually. So the thing is that you have to change the format. You have to try and test different kind of things in the sense that you have to change the font, you have to change the background, you have to try different kind of thing. And the most important thing is that color combination. I mean, when you are posting a post and that is not matched with the color combination, maybe you are using a light background and you are using as well the light text, that is no one going to like that particular thing, because it's not quality content. Okay, so this is the number one mistake. Even I have it, because I have uploaded more than 700 piece of content, especially pic format on the Instagram, and I realizes that what are the things that is actually working there and what are the things that is not actually working. Now second one is that people are actually not doing that. They're not putting video content. I'm not talking about the IGTV. If you are able to put IGTV, that's great, but I'm just talking about the 1 minute version of Instagram post in video format, because nowadays Instagram algorithm promoting the IG not like video format rather than text, or not a text, I mean picture format. So start putting down the video format in a day, one post at least in a day, so that the reach will be increased of your post. At the same time, you are posting IGTV. Yeah, IGTV growth is little bit slow, but the 1 minute video of Instagram video format is, I mean, increasing their growth right now, as per the, if you're posting a picture kind of content. So this is the second mistake that people are doing actually. Now third one, and even third, fourth, fifth, all are related to hashtag that people have actually. The number one, and this is the third one actually, people are not using hashtags. See, nowadays the organic growth is almost dead on Instagram. Somehow the growth that we'll got in our post or our videos or any kind of thing, that comes through the hashtags. So if you're not using hashtag, then your post will be not reaching out to a lot more people. Okay, so please use hashtag in your content. I mean, that may be a video content, that may be a picture format. And the next one that I can say, that fourth one is that people are not changing hashtag. See, first of all, the people are not using hashtag, and the second one is that people are using hashtag, but they see that yaar is pe to growth mil nahi raha, people are not engaging with that hashtags, and still they are using the same kind of hashtag. And this is the blunder, I can say that. You have to change the hashtag, you have to try and test. And most importantly, we have to go through the relevant hashtags. The kind of content you are posting, your hashtag will be related to that kind of content exactly. And see, if you're posting hashtag, you have to try for a 3 4 5 and 6 7 days, that if you see that this hashtag is not working on your post, then try to change the hashtag, different kind of hashtag you have to use, and see is this or these kind of hashtag are working or not. If still this kind of hashtag is not working, please change that hashtag as well. Okay, and now the fifth one is that also that not putting maximum hashtag. And this is the fifth one actually. See, Instagram gives you a maximum hashtag that you can post in your video format or picture format is 30. So why you are not putting 30 hashtag in your post? See, I mean, you don't know, you never know which hashtag great work for your post. So try to put down 30. If there is a maximum 30 hashtag we have given, then try to use 30 hashtag in your post. That is so very important. Okay, now let me talk about the next 5 common mistake, and it's a sixth mistake that people are doing on Instagram is all about they are not connecting with the people. Not connecting people in the sense that if someone likes your content, if you're not following that particular person, just go to that particular person and just see their post, the kind of post they are posting, and do comment, do like, and DM them that yeah, you are doing great work actually, if he or she is doing a great work, so that you are connecting with the people. And while you are connecting with the people, the engagement will be automatically increases because you are connecting with the people comes to your post, like their post, maybe share your post. That is the most important thing. Now the seventh one is all about timing, and it is so very important. I mean, while I was posting my content at the beginning, 3 posts on a daily basis, and nowadays it will be reduces, but I'm gonna come back with the same speed as well. See, so while I'm doing, because I have a college at that point of time, and so I have to go college and do a lot of work. So what I do basically, I post my morning post in 8 to 9 o'clock, and I see that it's a constant engagement. One day I think about, let's post this post at 7 o'clock, and I post the morning post at 7 o'clock, and I see there is a more engagement than the post that I am posting on 8 to 9 o'clock. So you have to analyze the audience, that which kind of audience you have on your page, and you have to go through the timing. And for timing purpose, you have to try and test. Maybe you post in the morning 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and just analyze that on which timing people are engaging most. Okay, so we have covered 7. Now the 8th one is so very important, and actually this is a common mistake. People are using bots. They are trying to purchase follower, that is fake follower. And as I earlier stated, it is better to have a 1 real follower rather than 100 or 1,000 fake follower, because they are not going to give a feedback to your post, they are not going to engage with post, they are just like fake, or they may be bots. So don't waste money on such kind of thing. If you're using advertisement, that's great, but if you're not using the advertisement, that's not good. Don't buy any kind of follower for your page. It's a big mistake that people are doing actually. And now let's move ahead, and I think it's going to be 10-minute video, maybe more than that actually. So 9th mistake, that is all about people are not consistent. Yeah, see, I was consistent a lot more time, even the result will not come, then still I'm consistent, because I see if I'm not going to consistent, people are going to forget me. So people post their post maybe in a week, and maybe in 2 days later, and maybe like that kind of thing. So people are not consistent. This is the biggest mistake actually people are doing on Instagram. You have to be consistent. You have to post your post on a daily basis on Instagram. And the last one is, which is so very important, and which is most important thing that I can say, that 10th, it is the 10th one, that people are not tagging people. I'm not talking about that कि अगर आपका नॉर्मल अकाउंट है तो आप गैरी वी को टैग कर दिए, आप डिजिटल पति को टैग कर दिए, आप बड़े बड़े लोगों को टैग करोगे ना तो आपका वैसे भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला. टैग द पीपल like your friends, like yourself as well. See, I see when you tag yourself, then when people are interacting with your post, then they tap on that tag bottom, and they see that okay, you are there, then just go through your profile and just follow you. So these are the common mistakes that people are usually doing on their Instagram, and I hope you got the value from that particular video. This is so very important for all the people who are doing a lot more mistakes on Instagram. So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value from this video, and if you got the value from this video, please share this video to another people so that they get benefited and they get also aware that what kind of mistake that I should not have to repeat on Instagram. So that's it for as of now, and as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much. And one more thing is that be safe. Thank you.